What I love about their wigs, both times I've received a wig, it came ready to wear. For this install, we wanted this to be very beginner friendly, and all I did was cut some baby hairs and slick them down with hair gel. We did not use any holding spray or glue or anything. This is a glueless install. I have a 12-inch bob. This is in a 13x6 HD lace. The lace color that I have is brown. This wig is also glueless. We did 100% glueless install today. We are going to be installing this wig 100% glueless, so we're not going to be securing her down like the typical way. We're just going to be doing the baby hairs and obviously like styling her. We're going to cut the lace first, not secure her, but you know, style her. And try these new scissors. So guys, you definitely want to take your time if you have intentions of wearing a frontal wig glueless. If it doesn't have a band, you definitely need to be careful when you're cutting the ear tabs, because you don't want to cut too much lace off or not enough, because you really want it to lay flat around the ears. I think this step makes a huge difference whether or not a wig will actually look glueless. So that's what I'm doing, really taking my time and making sure I'm taking just enough off and not too much as well. I'm pressing it down to see how I'm liking how it's laying down. You definitely have to play around with it. You don't just expect it to look perfect and be the perfect cut right away. And you guys, this lace is so beautiful. It's almost hard to see where it's at. Sometimes I have to go in closer to look to see to find it, because it definitely blends in so well. I definitely wanted to be transparent with you guys. I would say this is one of the luxury units that I'm reviewing. Now, why I say that is because it is on the more expensive side, but it is quality. So when you get a wig and you're spending, you know, a few $100s for the unit, you're expecting it to be high quality. You're expecting the lace to be superior, the texture to be really soft, the wig to be constructed well, and this wig definitely offers all of those things. This wig is the Aries wig, and I have installed a 12-inch blunt bob. As you guys saw in the install portion, we did bump the ends to curl it under. It is also Malaysian hair in 130% density. This is a fresh out of the box install. I did not bleach this unit. I did not have to do anything. The knots came pre-bleached, and it was like a very light pre-bleach. It just looked like the perfect clean hairline. What I love about their wigs, both times I've received a wig, it came ready to wear. For this install, we wanted this to be very beginner friendly, and all I did was cut some baby hairs and slick them down with hair gel. We did not use any holding spray or glue or anything. This is a glueless install. The front here is definitely not secured. The entire wig is not secured, but because I did press down the baby hairs with some gel, it is holding that portion of the wig down a little bit. 100% glueless. It is very beginner friendly. You can just wear it out of the box. Like, look at the texture of her. So smooth, so silky.